Well, that was successful. That's good. My heart's going about 1,000,000 miles an hour. Okay, I'm gonna rest because I'm nervous about this engine burbling. See, so it's hard on my nerves, buddy. But that went pretty good. So I'll fly it a few times like this, and we'll see how she goes. Okay. But it was a short flight, but I wanted to make sure that it made it. But that burble is making me nervous. It actually did it one more time after I talked to you last time when I was in front of my house, and so I got a little nervous about running it out here, but it seems to be working good now. I know when I goose the throttle and I give it a hard pitch pump, it'll burble. And so I don't know what's causing that. Maybe the governor, maybe the servo, I don't know. But I can definitely make it do it. Anyway, that's the end of this flight. There she is in one piece, buddy. She made it. Awesome. See you later.